Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a Douyin account without using your personal phone number. That's right, no personal phone number required. Let's dive in. First up, for those who don't know, Douyin is the Chinese version of TikTok, a social media powerhouse with over 755 million monthly users. It's a hub for creative video content, entertainment, and even e-commerce. But creating an account typically needs phone number verification. And let's be real, that's a major privacy concern for many of us. Alright, let's get started with the first method. Disposable phone numbers. These are great because they function like regular phone numbers but keep your real number safe. Here's how you do it. Choose a disposable phone number provider like MobileSMS.io. Purchase a disposable phone number from China or any region that works with Douyin. Download and install the Douyin app on your device. During sign-up, choose to register with a phone number and enter the disposable phone number you bought. Receive the verification code through your MobileSMS.io dashboard. Enter the code in Douyin and complete your account setup. Easy, right? Now you have a Douyin account without giving out your real number. Next, let's talk about temporary phone numbers. These are disposable numbers perfect for one-time verifications. Services like MobileSMS.io offer real SIM card-based temporary numbers you can use. Here's the step-by-step. Sign up for a temporary number service like MobileSMS.io. Open the Douyin app and select the sign-up option. Enter the temporary number during registration. Check MobileSMS.io's dashboard for the verification code. Enter the code into Douyin and finalize your account setup. So simple, and it ensures maximum privacy. Lastly, you can also use third-party logins like WeChat, QQ, or Weibo. This method bypasses phone verification entirely. Here's how. Open Douyin and choose to sign up with a third-party app. Select WeChat, QQ, or another supported platform. Approve the connection between your Douyin account and the third-party app. Douyin will retrieve your account details to complete registration. No phone number needed at all. So why should you avoid using your personal phone number for Douyin? Here are a few reasons. Privacy concerns. Sharing your phone number can expose your personal data. Spam and unwanted contacts. Platforms may share or sell phone numbers, leading to spam calls or messages. Cross-platform linking. Your phone number can be linked across multiple platforms, reducing your anonymity. To sum it up, using a service like MobileSMS.io for a disposable phone number or temporary phone number is your best bet. It's reliable, secure, and protects your privacy while letting you enjoy Douyin's features. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.